Yo, hey guys. So my name is Chan. This is gonna be my first video. I've been trading for 9 years now, since 2017, and I've never made a YouTube video before, but I feel like I have enough knowledge and time in the market now to really help you guys. And my goal here in this channel is basically just to track my uh, personal record and be more disciplined and just basically leave like a little footprint online for myself that I can refer to later on. And yeah, I really don't want anything from you guys. I'm not here to sell a course or nothing, but I'm just here to do daily analysis on the Bitcoin market and maybe a little bit of Forex. And if I have a subscriber base going on later, you guys could request me any coins or any stock that you'd like to me to do an analysis on. So, yeah, enough about me. Without further ado, let's get right into this Bitcoin analysis. All right, guys. So, whenever I do my analysis, I like to kind of just see where the trend is going. You know, overall picture. I think the daily time frame is more than enough. So, right here, you can obviously see that Bitcoin is in a bull market because we're making higher highs and higher lows. So, this is a low. This is a higher low. This is a higher low. And this is also a higher low. So if Bitcoin comes, we should not be breaking below here, which is at around $1,100,000 for Bitcoin. So we should not be breaking this low. If we break this low, we could be coming down to around 109 all the way down to maybe 104. Could be possible, but we should not be broken. Anyway, so now that we know the trend is bullish, we want to scale down to the 4 hour. Let's see. So the 4 hour right here, still pretty much bullish. We can mark out the high right here. So this is the all-time high. We can mark this all-time high. And since we're bullish, I think we want to be attacking it. So slash target number 2 for TP. And I'll show you the reasoning, because now we have right here, if we go on the 1 hour, we have a low that's been swept. We have a high that is broken. So we can note this down as market structure shift to bullish. So we look for longs. And if you want to go in depth more, you can go on the 15-minute, which is what I like to do. So we can go here, mark out this high, and we can mark out this high as well. We can label this draw on liquidity and target 1 for TP. And then this is what we do. So I can see that we have a fair value gap right here, and that's just where I entered long yesterday. So I went long right here. My stop was actually right here, but it didn't take me out. It only went down a tick. So I wanted a target, so I'm still in the trade, but this is my first target right here at $120,800 for a 4.25 R. And then my second target, it would be right at this high. Sorry, so this should be third. My bad. Target 3. And then target 2 TP. And then target 3. So these are my targets. And then if you want to have target, my all-time target is actually 130, but we're gonna just slowly build to it. So let's see how price develops first, and then I'll come back to you in a few days and then update about this trade. So yeah, for now, let's recap. Bitcoin just went up parabolically, came down for retracement, filled this fair value gap right here, went up, came down, tested this fair value gap, a total of one, two, three, four times here. So this now is a strong area of support. We should not be breaking below this low. Price broke up, causing a market structure shift bullish to longs. So now any move here, if we zoom in on the 5 minute, any move here, this could be a long right now, right here. And if you wanted to do this long, could be like a low risk long. Boom, enter here. Stop loss below here. But if you want to be extra safe, right here. And then you could target right here for 4R. And first target would be here for 2.5R. That's how I would approach this if you wanted to do a trade, but I'm not going to enter here because I've already have my main positions going on. So yeah, this is how I would structure my trading for this week up until next week, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. So this has been Chan. It's been nice doing this analysis. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.